How did the former SpaceX engineer reinvent the freight train? Each day, thousands of trucks leave the shipping ports in Los Angeles and Long Beach hauling containers full of furniture, clothing, electronics, and other imports from Asia. The trucks, running on diesel, are a major source of pollution. A new startup called Parallel Systems wants to help transport more goods by rail instead, and to do that, it's reinventing how trains work. Founded by 3 former SpaceX engineers, the company is currently testing autonomous, zero-emissions rail cars that can drive on tracks independently. While a typical freight train today is miles long, the new rail cars can move together in smaller groups, making the system as affordable as driving trucks. Through a new grant from the Department of Energy, the company will soon begin testing the technology as performance, including how much it can improve energy efficiency. Right now, rail is limited at ports because of the amount of space that it takes up. Trucks often have to carry containers to rail yards at different locations. By working directly at the ports, the company estimates that it can eliminate 2.8 million metric tons of CO2 pollution a year, along with nitrous oxide and PM2.5 pollution that affects the health of communities living nearby. Parallel Systems, which announced in January that it had raised nearly $50 million in a Series A round of funding, has been testing the technology on a track in California over the past year. The company's founders don't envision replacing current rail systems, but they want to make better use of existing rail infrastructure right now. They estimate less than 3% of the train tracks in the U.S. are in use at any given time. Conversely, moving more freight from trucks to rail can reduce traffic on highways. In California, trucks are a major source of bottlenecks on freeways.